All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I have my C-clamp set up with a cup, and this is the number 7 adapter from the Mike Alpha 10-1 Maddox kit from Harbor Freight. So this is number 6, and number 7 is going to be in this spot right there. So this is how it's going to look. And I think on a previous video I had mentioned to use the bottom nut ball joint, the nut from the bottom ball joint, use it as a spacer there to pull out that ball joint. So this is how it looks like. Obviously this one's still there, but this is how it looks like. I already did the other side. This is how it's going to look like when it's out. One thing that I want to note is notice this nut, there's a flat side and sort of a roundish side. Make sure to use the round side towards the bottom. So basically that way right here it's on the C-clamp, because if you guys can notice that circle right there, so that way the nut can sort of get in there, and it can be as centered as possible when it's coming out. So let me see if I can focus the camera here. Awesome. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start ratcheting it out, and it should not be that hard, maybe depending on where you live. I'm in Texas, so what I would mean is how corroded the ball joint is, but I can do it with a regular 1/2-inch ratchet with one hand and holding a phone. So it should be that kind of easy. I want to say, I don't like using the word easy, nothing's easy, but simple. Whoa, hold them up. So I feel like I have to use 2 hands. Give me 1 second here. All right, I'm gonna use my right hand here and hold the phone with my left. Okay, so notice how it's going up into the differential area there. If I can rotate this, that means that it's doing something, I always say, because I've gotten this really tight, and that also means that it's doing nothing. Actually, it's doing the opposite, or it's done compressing. Okay, so we've noticed that the C-clamp is touching the my differential part there. So let me see if let me see if it gets tight. Too tight. Oh, there it is. All right, so y'all might notice that, but just give it everything until this gets tight, which it did not get tight for me. So it popped it out. So that's what we want. All right, let me see. I'm gonna just let it all drop if it does. Doing this by one hand. Okay, so there's the C-clamp, the adapter all over the ground. No problemo. And let's grab the oil now. Awesome. And that's it. All right, so because we're not going to reuse this, that nut's going to probably stay there, or if you're going to try to take it out, that's on you. I don't need this ball joint anymore. What I need is to now start to press in my iron, American iron ball joint deletes, which I think I made another video on that, on how to do that. But I might make a video of it, me pressing them in, see how that goes. All right, so thank you guys for watching.